Shadim Shuri. We're heading into the last full week of institutional tax loss selling. Still got a couple more days next week, but this is the last full week. So let's dive into some more bargains, basement shopping. Okta, no doubt, is a candidate in the cybersecurity sector. Would I sell put spread down here in the 70 at 70? Yeah, I would. That's not now if you really want to own it, 72, right? So let's look at the options. A 72 naked put might get you 30 cents. A 71 get you roughly 18 cents. I would go, assuming that there are funds available to buy the share, 72. It's not a bad price because that would basically get you down in the 71.7-ish price range, which is right where ref low is. Not bad. All right, I like it here. First of all, can it go lower? Yes, but it is at a support level, assuming that this is a correct channel, right? You got channel high, channel low, channel low, channel high, and then of course it violated the channel, and now it's back at the channel. So it might hold. Can it violate short term? Yeah, a little bit, but I like it. I like the risk reward there for Okta, especially when it's down, 30%. The other one that I also like, which is a better candidate, I think is Snow. For Snow, doing, let's see what kind of option we have. Trade. Not much juice on 110, right? That's about as low as possible. Sure, can you do 109 and take 18 cents? Sure. 110 might get you 22 cents. 110. Yeah, I mean 110 is basically in this from 107 to 113 is the consolidating range, right? So it's not like you had to go all the way down to 107. Now, if you want to be extra safe, then do a 107. But it's not that much juice to me. 110 is okay. See, 110 is right here. I like it. I mean, I wouldn't chase it here, but if there's a pullback, a big if, not sure what the reason is, um, assuming that one of the bigger boys is gonna report earnings. So let's take a look at the bigger boy, the one that everyone loves, Palo Alto. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Once again, if you bought at key support, it works, right? I talk about it. I brought it up. I'm pretty sure I did down here. So it's time to go, right? It's been here 1, 2, 3, consolidating. Can it break out? I don't know. Well, it's come down to earning and what's going on. So risk reward right now is not in it, not from the chart standpoint. Now, can it boss way higher? Yeah, it can, but it can also see at this point right here. As you can see, it's kind of like in the middle of the upper range and a lower range of the channel, right? So it's better play. Okay, at the end of the day, it's about what's a better play here, owning Palo Alto or Okta or Snow. I think Snow and Okta. Either one of those or both a better risk reward than owning Palo Alto at this moment. Okay, things can change. Of course, the big one that got beat up that has healed quite nicely is, of course, CrowdStrike. Um, it has come back, didn't quite get to the fib, didn't quite get to the gap fill. That would have been a feat to be able to recoup after that nasty dive from 300 to 200. It's like $100 dive in 2 weeks. Okay, that was so nasty. It has recouped nicely. It take 2 weeks to come down and 2 months to return. So the old saying, you take the elevator down and then you take the stairs up, plays out as usual. Um, Same thing with Palo Alto. The risk reward here is much less than what I can see with Snow and Okta. So not a fan here. Okay, not a fan. I don't hate it here, but I also like just don't see a need to take that kind of risk. Fortinet is a big winner after the big ugly last October, right? Look at what happened last October. Right after October low. Okay, let's go back 2 years chart to show you 2 year chart. Wow, 2 year chart. Yeah, it was ugly. Okay, tax loss was, it's one of those. Yeah, this is one of those where tax loss was painful. It was painful, and then it was just when you think it was over. Earning was set up for November, right? So a lot of people that bought into Okta, into Fortinet for tax loss reason, which is valid reason because it came down from 80 down to below 60, right? So a good 25% plus. Valid reason. Risk reward wise. And then you get earning that knock it down. Wow, that hurts. That hurts a lot, okay? That hurts a lot. And it took literally all the way to Christmas to recoup. So yeah, that left a scar on a lot of people. This time, not so, and I would not be chasing it. Okay, it reached the all-time high right there. It buzzed through, and then it retraced. So the fact that it can't hold the high says a lot, right? It says a lot that it can't hold. So yeah, it's the least attractive of all of them for the net. Okay, so no dice. That's it for this. I'm sure there's other cybersecurity, but that's the 4 or 5 that I normally follow. Okta, Snow are my pick here, at least for this week and next week. Okay, once earnings start, a lot of things can change because it's gonna be up to the earning per individual companies. Bye bye.